Hey guys, it's Pauline. I got a couple of just three little small packages in the mail today, and then I'm just gonna tell you uh, what I'm really just absolutely loving right now. Okay, so I got this is from Everyday Explorer, Christine Heron. I really like her style of journaling and stuff like that. And I ended up getting a little, I think she calls it a maker's kit, but we will take a look at this. I bought, like some months ago, one of her journaling notebooks, I guess. And I took it on one of my little small vacations, and I used it to document that vacation, and I really liked it because you can do it right then and there. All right, so this is how it comes packaged. I thought that this was really, really cute. I mainly got it for the stamp. I'm not sure if you can get the stamp by itself, but I really like this. So I went ahead and got the whole kit. This is $35, which is not bad for her because the stamp itself is, I think, $20 and then the shipping. So getting a whole kit for $35 is actually pretty good. All right, so let's pull this out. I'm trying to get it. It's packed so tightly. And it comes with the pocket, and it's already in there. So a lot of times, like at Studio Calico, some of theirs come with a pocket, but it's on the outside, and you have to, put it in there yourself. And sometimes the static cling on these things to get irritate you. But anyway, the point is, it already comes like that. So it's already lived in, basically. I like that. All right, and oh, you get another one? So this book must go in the stamp pocket. Oh, I'm already gonna like that. Okay, so here we go. We got, she gives you instructions, or kind of like jumping off ideas on how to do this. I think this is the first time I actually bought a kit. I think before I just bought the little notebooks. So, because normally I don't really care for, I didn't used to care for her stickers, but these stickers are different. And I like these. Because the other ones, it was just wasn't my style. Anyway, let's see. So you get, this is like really thin. It feels like copy paper. But, I guess you could use these for backgrounds or something. That's neat. And let's see, for journaling spots like that. Okay, that's very cute. All right, and then you get the book itself. And I'm one of these type of people. It's helpful to me to have a jumping off point. And so to have this kind of show you what to do. And like there's this other one, she has different ones with different styles. And it shows, it has it all sectioned out. So you have a spot to put your picture and yada and yada. And it helps. All right, and so that is very, very neat. So you use this for your finished book. Okay, but I might, of course you can use it while you're using it, because you could put this in there, and no, you can't put your stickers in there. Too big, but like if you want to carry it around with you. Okay, so you got that sticker, and these are nice. You get these, and you get these. So I'm happy with this kit. I mainly bought it for, I do like the book. But honestly, this was the star and this was just extra. But I really wanted the book too, because I used this for a couple of little mini staycations, and I really liked using it. Okay, so enough about that. Let's put that to the side. Make sure there's nothing else in here. There's not. Okay, and then Elle Studio. I think this is probably my monthly kit. Let's check it out. All right, it is. So we got November. Cannot believe it's November. It's already halfway through November. Ooh, that's pretty. I didn't even look at the sneak peeks of this. So let's see. It's pretty. I like that she does a lot of primary colors. I'm a primary color kind of person. Very pretty. Okay, so you're already getting Christmas stuff. I don't know why I flip them over. I know she only does the front side. That's pretty. Very useful. I am so into, well, it's over now, but I was so into Interview with a Vampire. My only critique is that they use a lot of F-bombs, and I just hate F-bombs. It's like stabbing a knife in my ear. But, all right. Very pretty. Ooh, very nice. I like that. It does have to work for you. All right, I love this kit. This makes me happy. All right, and then we got one more thing. I don't remember what stamp this is. I don't know if this is my kit. Yep, looks like it's my kit stamp. Ooh, if I hadn't seen this, I would have skipped it. Because I think you can skip a month. It's fine. I'm just not this type of person. This is just not me. Okay. I mean, I will try to use it. I like that it's, you know, the outline and then the filler, so you don't have to color. If I had to have plants and stuff, this is the nice way to do it. I do like butterflies, so, you know, I'm going to give it a shot. I think I am going to try to use this as a planner layout, because I don't really make cards anymore. So, we'll see. All right. And then I just want to go briefly and tell you guys what I'm really loving. So I just got this. I think I've been living with this a week. I absolutely love it. I got it from Etsy. I think it's from Taiwan or somewhere, but it's I don't know, it might be Japanese. I don't know. But it's overseas. And it did take a couple of weeks to get to me. Now, I saw something, it looks like it's really similar. It might be the same thing on Amazon. I don't know where, I didn't look to see where it came from. Like if it's coming from the States or something. But anyway, I really like this bag. It is the perfect size. I like that the handles are good and sturdy. I just really like it. You got a little pocket in the front And then you got 2 sections. Well, really, what, 3 sections? Because you got a little section over here. There's a little pocket here that I'm not using. And you have a little pocket here. And it's tiny bag, but you can put a lot of stuff in it. Look what I have in it. Now, a lot of times I'll have my Erin Condren in here. And I like today is Saturday. My son and I are going to go different places. I'm going to take this with me. So while he's getting his hair cut and all that kind of stuff, I'll be sitting in the car and I will have something to do. And then when I come home, I can bring this into the area where I'm going to do what I want to do. And I don't have to like take it out, put it in this. This can go in the car, around the house, everywhere. Okay. So, let me show you what I got going on here. So, this is ridiculously chunky right here. A lot of people probably wouldn't like this, but this is what I decided to do. I have my Hobonichi Weeks, and I have it in a separate cover. I haven't put what I want to put in here yet. I got this secondhand, and it looked brand new to me. So I am ready to go when the new year starts, and I'm probably going to go ahead and use it starting in December. I did a video on this, and I was so torn as to whether or not to stick the back cover in here, but I would lose my pin loop, or put the front cover in here, or I wouldn't be able to look at my design, which is why I even kind of bought this particular one. But anyway, you can pull it out, which I'll probably do sometimes, and put it back in. So, and write in it and all that kind of stuff. Or I can leave it right here if I'm just going to do something quick. And it's stable enough to keep it all together. All right. And then I had to take out one of my notebooks because it was really just too chunky. Like the whole flap wouldn't, like this was coming back to like down here. So I had to take one out. And that was a bummer because it was the actual notebook that came with this. But I really wanted this one because it is the planner one. Okay. And I got my pencil board and another pencil board. And like I bought this pencil board because I wasn't, everybody was getting these. But if I have it to do it all over again, I'm only going to get this one. I really like this. It's really thick. It's a lot better than this one. Okay. And then I have just a few things in here. I wanted to show you guys what I did with this one. This is when you buy Hobonichi, you can buy some extra little notebooks. And so this brown just made me think of coffee. So I pre-stamped this. Now, not all this stamping is good looking stamping, but, let's see. Is this the one? So, I don't think oh yeah, it is. Okay, so I already used one of them. And I love Tim Holtz stuff. I love his stamps. And so it's stamped perfectly. That's a Tim Holtz stamp. Tim Holtz. Perfectly. Now, some other stamping didn't work as well, but I still like it. And I got to realize how many coffee stamps I actually have. But I was able to stamp every single page. But anyway, I thought that I would share that. And I will link my bag in the description box. And I will link where I found something similar. I don't know if it's the same people or what. From Amazon. And the Amazon one was actually maybe like a couple of dollars cheaper. Okay, so this other one that I really have to talk about, I bought this in an Erin Condren surprise box. And this is the best thing. I love this. Love this. So I love this color, a cover. It is not real leather, of course. They do only like vegan leather. So, but I love it. It came with a pin, these two pins that match it. It's gorgeous. And then I had this budget planner, and it had really cute cover on it. But when I saw this one, I had to use this one. And I just love it. I love everything about it. So if you're debating on getting that winter, if they still have that winter surprise box, get it. It is worth it. Now, they had a notebook that came in it, and I wanted to keep it all together, but it seemed like it was going to put too much stress on this zipper, and I do not want that zipper to break. So, but this is the book that they had in it, and it's a nice book, but I wanted my budget planner to go in here. So I have tons of room in here. So I have this cover and a little planner, and then I have my tablet and just everything you need to go sit somewhere and plan. And so this is just one of my little setups. I am going to share what else I got going on. It's ridiculous because I kept changing my mind and seeing different systems, and I'm like, oh, I want to try that, like a child. But anyway, I will share all that later once I figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, I thought that I would share these things, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.